Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset settings app in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match, which is a system called settings, and click on open to continue. By the way, you can also navigate to your keyboard and press Windows and I key together, and by that, you would be able to bring up your settings here at the Windows screen. Now, once we have opened it, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see there are a list of the options. Go with apps. So under the apps tab, please proceed at the very first of it where you can uninstall and manage apps on your PC. Click on it, and the moment you have open installed apps, wait until the loading process would be done so that we can proceed. Once it is being done, okay, you need to choose the particular application that you want to reset with, okay? So let's say for example, you want to do a reset of this media player. Now aligning to it, you can see there are three dots. Click on it and go with advanced options. The moment you have the click on advanced options, you need to scroll down and there you can see an option called reset where you can repair and reset the app. Okay? So click on reset, but before you do, try resetting from within the app's on settings page instead of here. That way you won't lose all of your app data. You can also navigate here directly and click on reset and wait until it will be reseated. So it will only take less than a minute or more than that. It would depend on the machine that you are having actually. Okay? So once you're done, navigate again here to go back to your settings application. Okay? And here at the installed apps, you need to scroll down again and navigate to another application that you want to reset with. Again, let's say for example, you want to reset your photos. Since you're having an issue about your photos and you want to reset that, navigate the same process, and that is to click on the three dots, go with advanced options once again, and scroll down here at the photos advanced settings and click on reset. Okay, once you have resetted it, it will take 1 minute or less than that. It would depend on the machine. Okay, reset it, and once you have reset all the necessary applications that you want to reset with, you need to navigate here at the start again. Please tap on it and proceed to the power menu options and go with restart. Now there is a need to restart your computer in order to complete the procedure, okay? Restart the computer and check if it's now working properly, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.